Picture a blank code editor staring at you and that quiet fear that you are not ready yet. Code Game is the opposite of that blank wall. It is a free browser game I built so you can learn real coding ideas by helping a tiny lynx collect pine cones. Open Sharad Khare in /codygame and you are already in the classroom. No install, no account wall, just you, a map and a program you can see growing. The hero is a fluffy lynx you can rename like Pip, and the treasure is every pine cone on the path. Why a lens and pine cones instead of a dry quiz? Because code is a recipe for action and action is easier to trust when you watch pause move tile by tile. Stay with me and I will walk you through the screen, the tools, the star rules and the 100 level journey. First, look at the top stage because that floating island is the whole world of the puzzle. Brown tiles are the safe path you can walk and green grass is only decoration, not a trampoline. Trees block you, logs can block you until you clear them, and empty air is a hole you do not want. The lynx only walks the way it faces, so direction matters as much as distance. Camera controls sit beside the stage for zoom out, recenter, zoom in, and mute when you need quiet. Under the stage sits your mission strip with the level number, 3-star slots, and a short pack nickname like Baby Step. You also see a progress bar from 1 to 100 because this is a full path, not a 3 puzzle toy. There is a sample certificate link up top, and the real free certificate unlocks only after you finish all 100 levels. The big title tells you the goal in plain language, like help the lynx collect pine cones. Under that line, a short hint explains the next move without dumping a textbook on you. Now scroll to the heart of code game, the dual workspace. On the left, your blocks is the friendly side where you tap chips like forward, left, right, use, loop, if, and while. Each chip becomes a step in your recipe, and you can drag to reorder or tap to delete when something feels wrong. On the right, the code is the honest side because the same recipe appears as real JavaScript and one tap switches it to Python. Hover a block or a code line and both light up together, so the match is never a mystery. That dual view is the whole teaching idea. Blocks keep fear low and text code keeps the skill real. Copy is there when you want to paste the program into your own notes. Under the blocks tray you get undo, redo, how, reset links and clear. Undo and redo forgive experiments and reset links puts the actor back without wiping your program. Clear wipes the recipe when you want a fresh start. How stays quiet at first on purpose, so try once yourself, then how becomes available. A moment of struggle teaches more than a spoiler on frame 1. When you fail a couple of times, the game can show a faint gold ghost trail of where this code actually walked. That ghost is not shame, it is a map of the bug, so you can see the path your mind thought you wrote. Speed has 3 moods: slow for learning, normal for flow, and fast when you already understand and just want the cone. Play runs the whole program, and step runs one line at a time, which is how you learn what each command truly does. Keyboard shortcuts match that rhythm: enter for play, space for step, and Ctrl Z for undo. Stars are not decoration, so listen to what they mean. 1 star means you solved it even if it took messy tries. 2 stars means you solved it with fewer fails. 3 stars means 0 fails and a short enough program at or under the level's par. So 3 stars reward clean thinking, not speed clicking. Levels unlock in order: beat level 1 and level 2 opens. That keeps the curriculum honest because later packs assume earlier skills are already in your pause. Every few levels, a new idea card introduces the next pack in human language. Those packs are the real syllabus, 17 chapters across 100 levels, and we will walk them with care. Walking is nicknamed baby steps, and 1 forward is 1 brown tile, so counting becomes concrete. Turning is nicknamed which way boss, because the lynx only walks the way it faces and orientation becomes data. Action is nicknamed pause on the thing, where use lets you pick up a cone or shove a log when walking alone is not enough. Then snack, because if peeks at the next tile and chooses THEN or ELSE, so the lynx cannot shrug. Looping is nicknamed again, and a counted loop replaces cloning the same forward 10 times by hand. While is nicknamed until further notice, and the loop keeps going until the check is false, so you stop counting tiles like a machine. Debug is nicknamed I didn't write this, and the starter code is already wrong on purpose, so you practice reading and deleting sabotage. Maze is nicknamed Don't Look Down, where paths bend through empty air, and you learn to stay on safe ground. Nested loop puts a loop inside a loop. The inside finishes, then the outside says again, which keeps bigger patterns small on screen. Nested if is nicknamed the lynx who couldn't choose because decisions stack and one recipe can handle more than one question. While and logs teaches a two-step dancey walk with while, clear with use, then walk again for the snack. Multi cone makes greed a virtue because every cone must be collected, not just the first one. Wall follow is the classic robot idea. If path ahead then forward, else turn and hug the edge without hugging the void. Debug 2 returns with longer broken recipes. Same crime, find the one wrong idea. Mix is the everything bagel with while plus if plus use on one map. Fewest blocks is nicknamed Stingy Lane's Gulf, whereas short while beats a long stack of arrows. Challenge is nicknamed the long shore longer maps, the same tools and planning matters more than panic tapping. Notice the reasoning behind that order. You do not start with while and nested if. You earn those tools after your brain trusts forward, turn and use. That is how real coding is learned. Two small reliable moves first, then control flow, then debugging, then style. Code game also remembers your progress in the browser, including stars, hints, mute, speed, and language choice. Share copies, a link to the current level, so a friend can land on the same puzzle. Sample certificate shows a watermark preview, so you know what you are working toward. The official certificate is free, personalized with your name and your lynx's name after every cone is collected. It even tracks your star total out of the maximum, so careful play shows up on the paper. If you are brand new, here is the exact first move on level 1. Tap the blue forward chip once. Watch the right panel write the matching JavaScript line inside the play function. Press step if you want to see one paw at a time, or press play to run it through. When the cone is taken, celebrate, then play the next level and keep the streak gentle. You do not need to 3-star everything on day 1. Understanding the why of each block matters more than a perfect score on the first pass. Come back later for golf mode, fewer blocks, cleaner while loops, and those shiny third stars. So what is code game in one clean sentence? It is a 100-level path that turns programming ideas into something you can see, hear and fix with your hands. Blocks keep you brave, real JS and Python keep you honest, and the lynx keeps you smiling long enough to finish the shore. Open Sharad Khare in /codygame, name your lynx and write the first forward like it matters, because it does. Every pine cone you collect is one more proof that code is just careful instructions, and you already know how to give them.